Hey, what I got here is a little bipod slash foregrip. Comes from 2Odd on Amazon, and I've reviewed a couple of their stuff. And a lot of their stuff, I guess, is more airsoft quality. But this is CNC, and it's pretty strong. I don't know how much I would use this on a really true working gun, but on a let the kid play around with, gun, it's not bad. So the foregrip screws on to the actual mount, and if you don't want the foregrip, it'll come off. There's another piece you could screw on, but it's got a little adjuster here. Press in, and then you pull, and it comes out to about 9 inches. All right, press the button. All right, my foregrip sits on there. Kid's over there playing with his car. But as far as the foregrip goes, I mean, this is a pretty heavy gun because I got a lot of stuff attached to it. Foregrip holds it pretty nicely. And it attached pretty strongly to my rail. So as far as the $50 bipod goes, it's really not bad. I would recommend it. But like I said, it's not like sniper quality. But for playing around, it's not bad.